Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. Here today we've installed one of our invisible sliding security screen doors. We've installed a double door unit over our customer's patio doors here. You can see that this looks much like regular insect mesh. We actually took off a steel barred sliding door, which was very unsightly, diffused a lot of light that came into their kitchen and made it feel much smaller. This looks like regular insect mesh, but you can see if we take a closer look, this is our high purity stainless steel security mesh, which can't be cut with a knife or broken free from its frame. Also, our security mesh is made of marine grade stainless steel, very important, much less likely to corrode as inferior quality stainless steels. We like to point out too, our sliding doors come with a multi-point locking system. You can see these hooks. There's an upper, a center, and a lower one that latch in 3 places along the jamb when you close it and lock it, keeping it fully secure. Also, on this side here, the customer can unlock and open this door and clean their glass panel from the outside, but their whole opening is nice and secure. Let's take a look real quick from inside as well, and I'll show you why we call these invisible security screen doors. This is the visibility looking through our security screen door, unobstructed, no unsightly bars or grills to contend with. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens, where we've installed some double sliders today. We also have single doors, French doors, and window screens to cover any opening on your home. Please give us a call when you have a chance if you have any questions, or we can show and demonstrate our product to you. We're at 855 Majestec, or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks so much, and I'm sure we'll talk to you real soon.